Dashlane, is it really the best password manager? Watch the end. Dashlane is a password manager. It fills all your password, payment, and personal details, and you can access it anywhere or any devices, either iOS or Android devices. And Dashlane is an app that makes the internet easy, no roadblock, no stopping. You can get your password anywhere you need it. It stores an unlimited password and access them anywhere you want. It creates password with password generator and store and share your password safely and conveniently. Dashlane. And you can synchronize your data to the device automatically. It will log in on apps and sites automatically, and you get an instant alert when a breach affects your data. And about the security of Dashlane, the security that you will learn if your data is on the dark web with dark web monitoring, and there is built-in VPN for safe, and we have the two-factor authentication, and get the real-time credit monitoring and alerts. And again, I said that before, you will get instant alerts when a breach affects your data. And Dashlane makes three things easy. It makes logging into the account easier, having accounts in one place, and also warn about hacks. And also, you can log in to Dashlane using your fingerprint or your email address, and fill addresses and other forms with a tap. And also, it autofill the right username and password on every app and website every time. And for your desktop, download the software on the website, and for the Android or iOS, download this from the Play Store by search Dashlane app. And Dashlane save you all the stress. You can access it anywhere, and it ends the tedious typing. So it ends the tedious typing, and we believe you should control your data. That's why they have designed Dashlane so that we can see the information. So that it will be easier for you to store your password in a place. And Dashlane make it known that they don't store the information. Unlike a lot of tech companies, and they don't make money by selling your data. And unlike keeping your password and personal information in some dark and mysterious cupboard in your browser, with Dashlane you have easy access to everything on any devices. And Dashlane gives you the convenience for privacy and peace of mind. Download Dashlane to use to save all your password. Thank you.